Hi everybody, it's Tina, and I'm here with hashtag Jelly Postcard Play, hosted by Jerry Griffins. And this is going to be 5 through 8. For some reason, I thought I did them and loaded to schedule them out this weekend, and I apologize, I did not. I don't know why I thought that, but so I'm here to share. So 5, I did this little scenery with monster trucks, and got the hills and got tires on the outside, crush, big trucks, beat, smash. And that's number 5. Number 6, I thought this was the background. It's cactuses, and it says good times. This is a material that my husband makes. It comes like this. Well, did make when he worked at the paper mill. It comes in sheets like this. They're great. They're very nice, but listen when I rip. Hear that? They got this, if you see, in it. So it's good to clean with. So I got about 16 boxes left. I'm going to miss them, and I'm working at a paper mill. But this is me just dabbing, and I saved it, and I glued it right there. And then it's just some other design I got in the background. And this is the cactus stickers I have. They're in pots, so I thought it was kind of cute. And got a cactus in there. And that's number 6. Number 7. And we're all doing this except me. Well, yeah, I haven't been to a beach, but I've been enjoying my summer. So I got number 7, the beach, and got the little sand and the castle and the little chairs and the tanning lotion, the umbrella, and that's number 7. And last but not least, number 8 is a fair. And you got the, can't remember what that's called. That's a Ferris wheel, or is that the Ferris wheel? I don't remember. But we got the bumper car with a kid going ah with his balloons hanging out. So that is number 8. So recap. Here's number 8. Here's number 7. Here's number 6. Here's number 5. Oh, I have 2 number 5s. For some reason, I didn't do number 5. I thought I didn't do number 5. So I have 2 number 5s. My bad. So there's number 5. Got 2 5s. See? What a day. So I mixed 6 and 7. Okay. And here's number 4. And number 3. And number 2. And number 1. So, my bad, I did 2 5s. No major. But this is fun because I had to make backgrounds, which I did the other day. I had 4 hours, I believe, doing backgrounds, and I got them all sitting behind me. They're nice and dry, and now I can go through and put them on my cards already pre-cut. And I had this paper with different things on the back, so I thought, might as well use that and go through and do some backgrounds, and or at least get the backgrounds on the cards, and then build while I'm doing the whatever I put on them. And I'll be using a lot of my stickers because I have a lot of stickers, guys. I need help. So, but you know what? I like stickers. So number 1, and number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5, and number 5 again, number 6, number 7, and number 8. And I'm keeping them in this card box, which I'm going to decorate also today. So please go over and check everybody else's out. It's hashtag Jelly Postcard Play, hosted by Jerry Griffins. I'm going to catch up on his videos. I had a very busy week, and starting from the 4th on. But I just totally enjoyed it. So thanks for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now.